Hi guys, Becki-licious here, and today we're going to make taco lasagna. So let's get started. All right, taco lasagna. We are going to start out by sauteing up a red or a green bell pepper and an onion. All right, this bell pepper and onion has sauteed up beautifully. We're going to add in our ground beef. And then we're just going to get this all crumbled up. Now we've got to add in our taco seasoning. And this, you know what? To me, it's a judgment call. I go kind of heavy on it because I love taco seasoning, obviously, but I'm a taco fanatic. So, all right, so while we wait for this ground beef to get all done and cooked through, don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends and click on my other links for some other fun stuff, okay? Mixture is pretty much done, so now we are going to add in our pinto beans and then a can of diced tomatoes, and I have diced tomatoes with green chilies. That's another thing I always do whenever it calls for diced tomatoes. I always have the green chilies as well. And then we've got a can or 1 cup of frozen corn. So we're going to get that in there. All right, so we're just going to get this all mixed up, and we're going to let this simmer for a good 10 minutes before we go to our next step, okay? This meat for the taco lasagna is ready to go, so let's get our lasagna layered up. So we're going to bring this all over here. Oh, yummy. This is going to be so good. All right, so I've got my baking pan. My oven is already preheated to 350 degrees. And these are the smaller kind of soft taco size ones. And they fit perfectly on the bottom of my baking dish. So we're going to do 2 of these on the bottom. Okay. And we're going to take half of the refried beans that I have. And we're going to get these kind of spread around a little bit. This isn't going to be very easy, but we can make it happen for sure. Okay. All right. Now we are going to spread in this yummy meat mixture that smells to die for. It smells so good. I could just take a bag of chips and just dip my chips in it and be good to go because it smells that good. Get that. All right, now we are doing our cheese. Of course, pepper jack cheese. We know how I am with pepper jack cheese. Plus, it just kind of adds a little bit of a kick. And we like a little bit of a kick for sure. And then our second layer, and we're doing 2 layers, okay? So you only need 6 tortillas total. So we're going to basically do the exact same thing. Refried beans, meat, and cheese, okay? All right, so we've got our pepper jack cheese on this second layer. And now for our last layer is we're just going to do the 2 tortillas along the top. And then we're going to cover this with the rest of the pepper jack cheese. All right, you can see those yummy layers, yummy cheese. So this is going to go in the oven, like I said, 350 degrees. And this is going to go in there for probably a good 25-30 minutes because we want this heated all the way through and those tortillas to really kind of cook. We're just going to bring this over here and we're going to let this sit for a little bit. All right, our taco lasagna has been cooling in the pan for about 10 minutes. Pulled a piece out. Doesn't it look just amazing? It looks so good. It held together beautifully. Got a little chips and salsa on the side. So now it's time to try a bite, of course. All right, let's give this a shot. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this was absolutely phenomenal. I would make this again and again and again. This was really good. This is a great dinner to have, most definitely. I love Mexican food. I love lasagna. This was a good experiment in the kitchen. So I hope you guys had a good time today because I know that I did, and I'm going to enjoy myself later as I'm eating my dinner. I look forward to seeing you next time, okay? Bye.